Welcome to the mystical realm of culinary alchemy, where chefs wield spatulas like wands, turning mundane ingredients into magical feasts. Picture this, an ancient kitchen, filled with bubbling cauldrons and aromatic spices, where recipes are not just instructions, but incantations. Each dish, a carefully crafted spell, blending science and art with a touch of wizardry. From the humble potato to the majestic truffle, every ingredient holds the potential for transformation. Consider the art of fermentation, where simple cabbage metamorphoses into tangy sauerkraut through the power of microbes, or the delicate process of caramelization, where sugars dance into golden ambrosia under precise heat. Even the science of emulsions, where oil and water, natural foes, harmonize into creamy dressings and sauces. The alchemy extends beyond taste to the visual spectacle of food. Imagine a plate as a canvas, vibrant colors and textures arranged like a masterpiece, tempting both the eyes and the palate. But beware, for not all experiments succeed. For every successful fusion of flavors, there are cautionary tales of culinary mishaps. Yet, in those failures lie lessons and the essence of innovation. Culinary alchemy bridges cultures, connecting distant lands through shared recipes and techniques. It's a global symphony of flavors, each note a reflection of heritage and innovation. So, the next time you savor a meal, remember the enchantment woven by chefs, transforming the ordinary into the extraordinary before your very eyes. Let the magic of culinary alchemy spark your imagination and ignite a newfound appreciation for the gastronomic wonders that grace our tables.